Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix slow Facebook app on iPhone. So if Facebook is running slow on your iPhone, the problem is often caused by a poor internet connection, not updated software, or temporary app issues. So to fix this, open your settings, then go to General. Now in here, tap iPhone storage, then scroll down and tap Facebook, then tap Offload app. Confirm. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So once reinstall app appears, click on that, then wait for it to be reinstalled. So once installed, open Facebook and try it again and see if it works. Another thing you can do is to open settings, then scroll down and go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also turn this off for 10 to 30 seconds, then turn it back on, connect it again, then go back to Facebook and see if it works. You can also go to airplane mode and turn it on. So for about 10 to 30 seconds, then turn it off, connect to a Wi-Fi and see if it works. So another thing you can do is to again open settings, then go to general, then scroll down to the bottom and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Then click reset, then click reset network settings, enter your passcode, and confirm the action by clicking reset network settings. So this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Once done, open Facebook again and see if it works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.